I told you once, I really did. Right after you showed me how to quit. I never thought I'd have to learn to say goodbye and watch it burn. Every street and every tree still holds a trace of you and me. I look for doors that lead away, but memories, they always stay. How do I say goodbye? How do I set you free? I try to walk away, but you're still here with me. Still here. What if you said you're never real? Just a stranger I was meant to feel. Would I still dream of holding on? Or would I know you've been long gone? Every step another sign. You're still haunting this heart of mine. I try to run, I try to hide, but you're the echo stuck inside. How do I say goodbye? How do I set you free? I try to let you go, but you're still here with me. Maybe you should have stayed a dream.